to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very easy and delicious hummus recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Leave me thumbs up. Don't miss all the delicious recipes I have. So let me show you my ingredients. Salt, cumin, garlic cloves, lemon, 1 bell pepper, tahini, garbanzo, and olive oil. This is everything we need to make this delicious and easy hummus at home. So let's get started. I am going to start with my red bell pepper. I am going to start slicing and getting all the seeds completely off, getting the little pieces of the bell pepper that are on the inside, the little white little veins. You want to remove that because really that doesn't have any flavor, so you want to remove the veins of the bell pepper, and then I'm just gonna cube it. It doesn't matter how you cut it because we're gonna roast it with this delicious garlic. This hummus really comes out amazing when you roast your garlic and your bell pepper. I'm going to transfer it to this plate, and this is just ready. I'm going to put it aside. I have one lime here, which I'm going to take all the juice of this lime. This lime is really going to give the hummus that little kick where you say, this is amazing. This tastes delicious. I have the tahini here. Of course, you could get any brand. This is the brand I love to make my hummus. I really love this brand, and I'm only using half a cup of the tahini paste. Okay, this is amazing. I have my garbanzos here. You know that the garbanzos come in this liquid, and we're gonna go ahead and drain the garbanzos and rinse them very good through running water. You want to make sure that you rinse all that liquid that they were in. So we're gonna rinse them completely, and then I'm just gonna leave them in the plate so all the rest of the liquid comes out. Here are my garbanzos, and I'm just gonna let them rest. Here I have a pan. It's nice and hot. I'm adding just a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna start roasting the bell pepper and the garlic. You want to make sure that you roast it really good, medium heat, so they start releasing, getting nice and hot, releasing all those flavors. Once they start changing color, just make sure that you're careful that your garlic doesn't burn, or your bell pepper. You want to be mixing them around for just a couple minutes. When you see your garlic changing color, and you could have that aroma of the bell peppers and the garlic, then that's the indication it's time to remove them. I am ready to remove them, transfer them to this plate, and then let's go to the working table. Let me show you that I have everything ready to start blending away. I have my garbanzos here, which are very nice and drained. I have my lime juice, which is about 2 tablespoons of lime juice, cumin, salt, and of course the roasted bell peppers and garlic. And of course, a hummus has to have tahini paste. Now I am ready with my mixer here, my food processor. I'm going to add only half, and I'm going to be gradually adding until everything is well incorporated. Look at this. Add a little bit at a time. Don't add everything at once. I have the salt, I have the cumin, I have the tahini paste, I have the bell peppers and garlic, and let's mix away. Let's blend everything so it gets really nice and incorporated. To this, I am going to add olive oil. The olive oil is going to give it a smooth and delicious taste. We're going to add the olive oil a little bit at a time. We're going to add the juice of the lime. I'm going to put it through a sifter. I don't want any seeds to go in there. And then let's just blend away. It's going to take a couple minutes, maybe 6 minutes. When it's nice and creamy, taste it first and it's nice and creamy. Then this is done and it tastes amazing. Now let me pour it on this plate and let me show you how creamy this is. Look at this. You could see little specks of the red bell pepper, but it's nice and creamy. That's exactly how you want your hummus. This is hummus made at home. It doesn't compare store-bought. This is the best when you make it at home with lots of love. Get a spoon and make that decoration, the swirl right on the top of the hummus. And now I am ready to pour some olive oil on the top. Let's add olive oil on the top and let's add some pepper flakes on the top for decoration. Of course, you need to have your chips, your pita. You decide. This hummus goes with everything. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this delicious hummus made at home with lots of love. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Look at this. Look how creamy and delicious this is. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. You know something, my friends? When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. I know that you guys are going to love this delicious and easy recipe. If you liked and loved this recipe, give me thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.